Friends, today I'm going to show that how to unsend all messages on Instagram. Friends, to unsend all messages on Instagram, you have to open the Instagram app, my friends. After that, tap on the messenger. After that, tap on messages at the top right corner, my friends. Then, my friends, you have to open any contact. Which one you want to unsend all messages, my friends, together, right? Open that one. After that, just tap on the messages. Then you will not find here, my friends, to unsend all messages together, right? You have to unsend the message one by one, my friends, like this, right? Just tap on here and tap on unsend. And one by one, you will be able to unsend all messages on Instagram. So friends, like this, if you want, you can unsend all messages on Instagram. Friends, to unsend all messages on Instagram, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.